Hey everybody, got another really awesome Mustang here. As you can see, it's a Shelby. It's a 1968 Shelby. It's a GT500. It is factory Highland green. It's a factory 428 Police Interceptor with a C6 transmission. The car is very complete, as you can tell. It's the real deal. 1968 Shelby GT500, and arguably probably one of the most sought after colors for that year. Now somebody has put a KR 500 KR stripe on it, but the car, it's not a KR. This is just but it's a GT500. It's got some original Shelby 10 spokes. Well, they appear to be original Carroll Shelby wheels, Goodyear polyglass, original tires, or not the original tires to the car. Those were Goodyear Speedways. The interior is basically complete. Glass cleaner there. Okay, so very complete interior. It's the deluxe interior. Still has the factory Stewart Warner oil and alternator gauges, Philco radio, factory console. Someone did change the top pad. Deluxe interior. And still has the Shelby roll bar, the original roll bar with the shoulder harnesses. A lot of times these are missing. It does have a fold down rear seat. It's latched right now, but I will take pictures of that. Original scoops. Dash pad's in really good shape. Headliner has a couple holes in it. Factory trunk lid, factory rear taillight panel. Looks like the car was last on the road in 1988 in Michigan. Original taillights, original taillight panel. There's the original gas cap. Trunk pops easy. Trap door. As you can see, original Shelby rubber stops. That's an original trunk mat, but it looks like somebody has cut it. But it is an original trunk mat. Trunk shuts nice. Rear window's nice. See, there's the fold down. Oh, one thing I did want to show you. There's the Shelby Cobra recommended tire pressure sticker. There's a couple extra little parts in there. The car has all of its VIN tags. All are original VIN tags. There is the windshield tag. That is very important for the 68 year. So it has all the original car light glass. There is the door tag, special performance vehicle, color R, that is Highland green. Like I said, very complete interior. Seats work good. Another angle of that roll bar with the shoulder harnesses. It's got original seat belts in it. The rear seat belts are there, but they're just under the back seat. Original steering wheel. There's the original gauge cluster. This is a tilt-away, tilt-pop steering. It has the original second actuator for the tilt steering. Tilt away. Very complete car. Original hood. Cal's got some paint peeling. Original Shelby emblems. The car's got disc brakes. Looks like it's got all the original Shelby fiberglass. The fog lights have been changed. Those should have been Lucas lights, but it was not uncommon for them to get changed. Give me a second, I'll pop the hood. Here's the engine. Shelby tag is original. It's got original Shelby valve covers. That's the original Police Interceptor intake manifold. It's a C7AE. The block is 8A2, 6 days before the car was built. The heads are 7H. It does have the factory rear end, 31 spline axles with a non-end nodular. It's dated 7L, about a month before the car was built. These heads are C8AEH Police Interceptor heads with the small ports. I do have the crank, I do have the rods. The engine obviously needs rebuilt. Still has the original buck tag on it also. Highland green 1968 Shelby GT500. This is about as good as it gets. Disc brakes. Oh, it has the original C6 trans. The VIN is on the trans. The VIN is on the back of the block. I have pictures of all that. But yeah, 1968 Shelby GT500, factory Highland green. Very complete car. Yes, it needs restored, or you could just put an engine in it and go through all the braking systems and drive it the way it is. The car actually looks pretty good. Yes, but like I said, it does need restored, but it is the real deal. 68 Shelby GT500. Highland green, have the Marty report, have a clear title. Very cool car. And if you have any questions, just comment below. Thanks for watching.